Disclaimer. I'm not responsible for any of your actions. In this case, request the router's owner permission to do pentesting, or do it in your own router. It is illegal to do pentesting in non-authorized Wi-Fis, be careful. Have you ever asked yourself, how can hackers crack Wi-Fis? And what tools they use? Well, that's simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crack a Wi-Fi and how it all works. If you're interested, don't miss the latest videos and subscribe to get trick updated. Wi-Fi cracking consists of getting access to a protected Wi-Fi access point. To connect to a Wi-Fi, the clients need to choose the desired access point name and enter its password. After that, the password is encrypted into a hash and sent to the router, and then the router will verify the hash and authorize, or not, the client's access. So, what hackers do, is that they de-authenticate every user connected to the network by sending a massive amount of tasks to the router annoying it. After that, the hacking device creates a secured access point with the same name as the one he's cracking, capturing every handshake sent to this new access point. Then, the devices will try to reconnect to that Wi-Fi, connecting to the first access point they see, sending the handshake to the hacker's device. And then, the hacker will forward the victim's connection to the original Wi-Fi and turn off the fake access point. Now, let's check out how to do it. First of all, the cracking device must have a Linux operating system. I personally recommend Parrot Security OS, because it already comes with most cracking tools. If you have a Windows or any other platform, consider using a virtual machine, or a live boot USB. There are various tools you can do this attack, but my preferred one is Airgeddon, because it includes various attacks and it is very simple and easy to use. In this OS, since it's already installed, you can start Airgeddon through Applications, Pentesting, Wireless Testing, 802.11 Wireless Tools, and click on Airgeddon. If Airgeddon isn't installed already, you can install it by cloning the Airgeddon GitHub repository, with the command git clone plus the repository link. After that, open the created Airgeddon folder and run ageddon.shell with the command bash as superuser, or just insert sudo./airgeddon.shell. Then, Airgeddon will initialize and check for its dependencies. If you don't have the required tools, Airgeddon will install them for you. Now, you'll be prompted to choose your network interface and you must choose a monitor-capable Wi-Fi antenna. Now, this is the Airgeddon main menu, where you can find various tools and options. But, before proceeding, we must set our interface mode to monitor. For that, we'll select the number 2, and press enter. Now, that our interface is in monitor mode, the crack we're going to use is under the Handshake Tools menu, so we're going to select the number 5, and press enter. Inside the menu, select Capture Handshake and you'll be redirected to the target monitor. Here, you can explore for targets to select the target you want. In my case, I'm going to select Pentesting as my target, because I'm authorized to. When you're ready, hold Ctrl and press C to close the monitor. And here, choose the target. Now it's time to de-authenticate everyone from the network. Select any of these methods to kick the users out, and automatically capture the handshakes. Airgeddon is now de-authenticating every user from the network, as you can see on the red texts. And now, it's waiting for the devices to reconnect, to capture the handshake. Here we go, it captured the handshake sent from a device that reconnected, and now, we insert the path of where to be saved and we got the encrypted password. We can now exit the program and check for the handshake file. And this is how the hackers get the passwords, so if you get disconnected, and try to reconnect again while having a good connection signal, it can be someone trying to hack your Wi-Fi, be careful. In the next video, I'm going to tell you how to decrypt handshakes. Get updated, like, and comment any doubts or thoughts. See you next time.